big brother Ethan is putting his wilderness skills to good use this weekend. He's taking his little sisters, Abby and May, for a camping trip. As they hike down the trail in the woods, there are so many things to see, from plants and animals to a little army of ants all marching in a row. As they reach the clearing, they find a good spot to set up their tent for the night. Afterward, Ethan takes Abby and May to do some fishing in a nearby pond before the sun sets. By nightfall, Ethan has built a fire at the campsite, and the girls are roasting marshmallows. Ethan teaches May how to make a s'more. Abby and May lay on a blanket and watch the star-filled sky. They even spot a bright shooting star. To help them get ready for bed, Ethan tells his sisters some campfire stories they'll never forget. Now the girls are tucked into their sleeping bags inside of the tent and ready to dream about their day. A hoot owl watches over them from a nearby tree branch all through the night. What a fun adventure!